YouTubers. Today I want to share one net pot I can plant for 2 seedlings in here. Okay, as you can see in here, all the net pot in here I put just only 1 seedling. Okay, and then from the YouTube that I saw some of the YouTubers they can plant it 2 seedlings in 1 net pot. So I think why not I also try this method. Okay, before that we prepare first the seedlings, another seedlings in here. Okay, I already prepared several seedlings. These seedlings before that I planted in the soil, so I just only move it to the net pot. Okay, and then how I choose which one of the net pot that I want to plant, I just choose the one that have a smaller one, then I put it inside in the net pot. Okay, I get one out of the net pot. This is the okay, now we put the second one. Just put the second one, just put it together. Okay, like here. Okay, there are 2 seedlings now in 1 net pot. Okay, we can put it a little bit now we put it inside the net pot, and then remember, don't block the roots. Okay, don't block the roots. Then make sure the root is the put it. Another one. Okay, just put it there. Yeah, okay, now we get it. Right, then we put the seedlings. Okay,